need you, oh God.
Oliver, oh! Si Atty. Oliver, oh! Binibisita siya rin. Oo, dapat si Kichi yata binibisita. Hi, Oliver! Bakit ka nagpalit? Sa Pico. Sino?
Meron ka bang may pangalan ka ba na nasa isip mo ngayon?
Hala!
It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's right, why do I sit and wait till it's gone?
Okay, nice to see you again, Oliver. How do you
Got enough. I've got peace and I've got love, but I'm up and I thinking I just might lose.